Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix storefront change error on iPhone and App Store. If you are using any iPhone and you are having the storefront change error in your App Store, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First of all, you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular, or you have to try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. And then you just have to go back, and here you have to open up your settings, and you have to make sure that you haven't any VPN connected, or if you have any VPN, so try to disconnect with that. Open up the general, then go for this VPN advanced management, select VPN. You have to make sure that you haven't any VPN connected, or if you have, try to disconnect with the VPN, then go for software update, or if you have any update here, you have to try to update your system or software. And then you have to go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, and here you have to enter your passcode, and it will reset all of your network settings. It will not delete your data, so you can easily try this. And once you have that, simply go to your App Store, tap on your profile in the top right corner, and then tap on your Apple ID. And here you just have to wait for the next screen, or you might have to verify yourself with your Face ID or your Apple account password. So once you have that, simply tap on this country or region option, or you have to change the region or country respective to in which you're living. So just scroll down and look for the country or the region in which you're living. Once you get, simply tap on it to select that, then tap on this continue option, and here just select the agree in the top right corner, and here you just have to add a payment method. It might be your credit card or debit card. You have to enter all of these informations or details, and once you have entered, simply tap on this done option. And once you have entered your credit card or debit card informations, or you have to change your country or region, so your problem will be fixed. So in this way you can easily fix the issue that storefront change error in your iPhone and app stores. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.